Pero for Sunday, wala naman ganap. Pumunta lang din ako dito. Pumunta lang din ako dito ng Sunday night. Then gumawa lang ako ng project nila, then until Monday. So and then before nun, from morning up until evening, that time natulog lang din ako, so pahinga lang din ako. And it's dated April 28. April 28. Day 119. So, Sunday. So, yun lang nangyari. Just talagang pahinga lang. Last week is talagang parang roller coaster siya ng emotion, kasi parang unstable yung work. Kasi baka mawala yung account. Then Friday nag-try kami mag-apply. So meron namang job offer. Overall, during that Sunday, wala talaga, nag-focus na lang ako sa paggawa ng project nila. As always, I'm grateful for everything.